scan this. Sovi is here. Let's level up. Integral questions get way easier when you track what the derivative says, and this one is super quick if you follow the graph carefully. Using the fundamental theorem of calculus, the derivative of g is g prime of x equals f of x. So the graph of f directly tells us when g increases or decreases. Since the graph shows f of x is positive on the interval, g prime is always positive there, which means g is increasing everywhere, and statement I must be true. Because g prime never changes sign, g cannot have a relative maximum, and since g of 1 equals 0 while g increases, that 0 is unique. Well done! Option D. Scan now, watch signs, and avoid rush. Trust the given graph, then check the steps before choosing.